Just cooking up a little chicken and over here, little puffballs. Puffball mushroom. I was out in the woodlot and seen them. Be sure what mushrooms you're eating. Don't go by anybody, me or anyone else. You have to be sure, do a spore count and everything else. But I'm going to cook these up. Smell pretty good. But I got to get some more oil in them. I'm out of oil. But I'm going to cook some chicken, some mushrooms, and in this little cast iron pan here. We'll put a little more chicken in there. Not gonna do much. Cook these mushrooms. Heat this up. Nothing fancy, man. Got one of my Chow Hounds eyeballing this stuff here. I think she wants some. Let me toss this to her. Come here. Ready? Come here. She caught that right in the ear, man. So yeah, I was just out at the woodlot and saw the little puffballs there, and I didn't eat. You know, I was working, but got some nice French country bread here. Heat this up, cook them up. A little cast iron cooking here, man. Yeah, nothing fancy. Want these mushrooms to cook a little bit there, right there. You know, right here, right here. Cooking up nice. I'm not gonna flip this stuff yet. Want those mushrooms to cook down in there. But we're gonna be doing good, man. Got some good bread over here. Nice bread. I'm gonna cut this up. Make a little sandwich there, man. And I'll put some Memphis barbecue sauce on it, but first I want to taste it with the mushrooms. So this is pretty good. Should be ready to eat. Nice bread. Good stuff, man. So, I have the slices toasting over there. Use this. But let me see if I can find one of those mushrooms. I think there's one right here. Tastes real good. Nice and tender and beautiful. Very nice. Again, when it comes to mushrooms, go with the old timers, go with people who know what you're doing, check them out. You have to feel 100%. Check your books out, check sport prints out. Go with some old timers too. Don't drink alcohol with it because sometimes it reacts with it, but it's fine, man. But it's just a little deal. Now I'm going to get this sandwich going here. I'm going to put a little mustard on there, little emeralds. Cool. Toasted French country bread. I'll probably put, I got some Memphis barbecue sauce I'm going to put on there. Got my, look at that. Is that a silver spoon? Silver plated spoon. Sorry, man, that's the way we go here. But get this, get it all on there. Oh yeah, got her now. Now both my dogs are eyeballing this. You know, I'm gonna give them something. I'll give them something, man. You know, got this. Got this. Put some barbecue sauce on there. Oh yeah. I did taste the mushrooms and stuff, so it was very nice. Put a little bit on there. Gotta have the condiments, man. But get back and put something else on there. Homemade bread and butter pickle slices. These are homemade. The cucumbers we get from our garden we tend to put in our salad, but we made these, so it's kind of cool. But there you go, man. And I got my hot sauce here somewhere, man. So my last YouTube video, man, this stuff, I gotta go easy with it. Of course, I always adapt and overcome. But, yeah, man. This is good stuff, man. Let me turn this up a little bit. Here we go. Damn, it's good. Damn, it's good. But I'll go over here. I'm gonna change this up and then we'll. All right, here we go to Chow Hounds. Hey, sit. Look at that, man. These guys are good. These girls are good. These Chow Hounds are good. Catch it right in the air. There we go, man. Nice little lunch after working in the woodlot. Beautiful. Beautiful. There we go. So you take care. A little extra bonus, I got some spaghetti squash and chicken. That's for after I had my sandwich. So, I'll kick that up too. This is just a bonus. So you take care.